Kaijin main market. Let's go to main market. Let me show you guys around. I mean the level of demolition going on in main market. I don't want to say something, but I think with time maybe we'll still enjoy all this new development. What my eyes saw there, hey, yanyam for the main market. We feel my costume. Mbasro careful. Aqua main market be here. Johnson, Kaibata. Nepanye funa kanetiri. Demolition is still going on. The main market to Onitsha. Onitsha main market in Anambra State, Nigeria. This is the Johnson Tower. Security Johnson Tower being brought down to arches. How do you go after God? My government. You can imagine what is happening. I thought it was all a joke, but now I can see that it's a truth. I mean, how do you just watch and see? I want to keep quiet so that you can take a clue of the environment. All right, so okay, let's go home now. I'm done. Going back to my base, Obosi. Going back because Yanyamfo na main market today. I don't know, but in the next 2-3 years, maybe we'll still appreciate the government, because now you see how spacious that main market is. But I don't want to judge. I don't want to conclude. See you guys in my next video. I'll keep you updated. Thank you. Bye bye.